As we know, a website is nothing but a collection of interlinked web pages. So using hyperlink also, you can actually navigate from one page of a website to another. But if programmatically it is required, like after a particular operation you want to go to some other page, for example, as soon as you submitted your form, you want to go to another page which will give you confirmation like your data has been saved. So in any such scenarios, you can actually go for the page redirect in JavaScript, and here we have a method of Windows object called location. And inside this location method, you can actually pass a string parameter which will be a URL of a particular location where you want to go. So on a particular event like button click, as soon as this method will get called, your page will be redirected to that particular location. So let's see practically how this window.location works and what are their different parameters and overloadings available. So in this particular program, I'm simply changing the location of one page to the another page. So in this particular page, what I am doing is I have simply placed a button with the text redirect me, and when you will click, this will call the redirect function. And inside this redirect function, what I have done is I have simply called this window.location property. It will simply change the location of your page, and whatever page you have specified will be shown to the user. So when I'll execute this, you can see I can also do that on a particular timeout basis. As you may have seen, like when you get a particular page, you will be shown some ads, and after that particular time, after some particular time, like maybe 5 seconds, 10 seconds, the actual site is there, means it will automatically redirect you to the actual website after that advertisement. So I can do that as well. So for that I don't need this button. I'll remove this text, or I'll write something like you will be redirected in 5 seconds. Alright, and what I'll do is I'll call this function on the load method, like on load. I'll not call it directly, I'll call the timeout function, which will actually do the trick. Basically this timeout function will call this redirect function, redirect. Alright, and let's put them in single quotations as I already have a double quotes. Alright, and now I'll do that after 5000 milliseconds. So this particular redirect function will be called on the load after 5000 milliseconds, because as soon as the body will get loaded, it will call this timeout function, and this timeout will give a callback to this redirect function after 5 seconds. So let's refresh the page. So this is the message which I passed here. Alright, so it's not there. Let me check the code. Alright, actually there is some set timeout function is there rather than this timeout. There is a set timeout function which will do that particular task which I was just talking about. Now I'll call this set timeout, and let's refresh this page again. So maybe after 5 seconds I'll be redirected, and yes, as you can see, now I'm here in this website again. So this is how you can implement the page redirection while using the JavaScript.